I think working in long-term care is different from other medical facilities because you're caring for people in their home environment. So every day we come to work, we're coming into their home and providing care for them and giving them the best quality of life that we can give them. In other facilities, treat patients with the goal to quickly address their symptoms and then move on. The Lingenfelter Center nurses and staff work instead with our residents continuously.
The difference in long-term care versus another medical facility is you actually know your residents. You can spot when something's wrong right away.
You get to learn who they are as a person. You're familiar with their family. You learn their family, where they come from, and just who they are. As in short-term care, you only know them briefly, depending on where you are. You might only have them for 12 hours.
Our care plans here describe each resident on a personal basis. So some of our residents may like to sleep in the morning. They may like a certain person taking care of them. They might like particular foods. They may have had experiences in their lives that change the way we need to care for them. So each care plan is developed specifically to that person to show what their needs are and how we can best take care of them as they would live in their own home. Some of the clinical skills we use here as nurses, we do blood draws, we do IVs, we administer medications, we do head-to-toe assessments. Some of our assessments are different than other medical facilities because they can't tell you, are you in pain? And then they can tell you yes, or describe some of the symptoms you're having. They can't tell us that most of the time. So we also become an investigator and really have to dig in and find out what's really going on with this person.
I came to work at the Lingenfelter Center so I could have relationships with the residents. I wanted that closeness. I wanted to form bonds with them. I wanted to be their family when they don't have family. So,
being able to get to know the residents, being a part of their life, being a part of their family's life. I'm very passionate about what I do. I want to make sure that they get good care. I enjoy all the stories that they can tell you. The relationship that we have with our residents is a little unique. A lot of them are cognitively impaired, some of them not so much so. So there's a lot of stories to be told, a lot of hugs and kisses given. We love our residents here and they love us, and it shows every day.
The ideal employee here at the Lingenfelter Center is someone who strongly believes in teamwork. An employee that's here for their residents and they want the best care for these residents. They're hardworking and they're dedicated to their job.
At the end of the day, after all the work is done, you realize that being part of the Lingenfelter Center team is like being a part of a family. We work hard to provide excellent clinical and emotional care for our residents, and we work equally hard to promote the success and happiness of each other. You don't find that anywhere else. Hi, my name is Kristen Ott. I'm the administrator here at the Lingenfelter Center. I'd like to thank you for considering us for your career in the medical field. We're really looking for someone who's compassionate and someone who can use their skills and be overall a great employee. We're looking for someone who also has a lot of clinical expertise, and we can put those skills to use on the floor with our residents. Here at the Lingenfelter Center, we offer a full benefits package which includes medical, dental, and vision. We offer life insurance, a 401k match, paid time off, scholarships for continuing education and opportunities that will benefit our residents here at this facility, on-site meals, and holiday savings plans. The town of Kingman is a wonderful place to live. We have a lot of people in this town that have lived here their whole lives, and so there's a big heart in this community. We have a lot of sports, we have great school systems, we have surrounding areas. The Arizona sunsets are absolutely beautiful. The commutes to work are also fantastic. They're only about 5 minutes versus being in a large city. The surrounding area to Kingman is also a lot of fun. We have Las Vegas, we have Flagstaff, we have Phoenix. Working at the Lingenfelter Center is like being a part of a family. We work very hard to provide the clinical and emotional care for our residents, and we work equally as hard to provide the success and happiness of our employees.